Welcome once again. Let's talk about Pi Network Coin now. Converting Pi Coin to Bitcoin, converting Pi Coin to BNB, converting Pi Coin to Solana, Shiba Doge, or to any stable coin will definitely be easier once Pi Coin is launched. Okay, yes, once Pi is launched, you can easily convert your Pi to any coin that you want. This is called, I'm actually doing this because of people who have been mining this Pi coin, and they believe that maybe once Pi is launched, maybe they will not be able to convert Pi to other crypto coins. So maybe they'll be forced to use Pi to be using Pi. No. Once Pi is launched and Pi becomes a normal crypto coins like every other crypto coins, you can trade Pi to any coin. You can trade Pi to BTC, you can trade Pi to BNB, you can trade Pi to any stable coin, or you can trade Pi to any crypto coins. Once an exchange accept Pi coin, definitely give list of coins you can actually trade these coins to Pi coin. Okay, so it will be very easy. I'm very certain that yes, Pi to Bitcoin, Pi to BNB, Pi to Solana, Pi to almost the top 100 crypto coins with the highest market cap will definitely be available. So for those of you who have Pi, who have a lot of Pi coin, who mine a lot of Pi coins, who were thinking even if it's launched, they might not be able to use Pi to convert or trade Pi to other crypto coins. No, once exchanges list Pi, once exchanges partner with Pi, definitely there are so many coins that you can actually trade this coin. So I actually received about 2 different emails. I received the first mail as a few months ago. I just I received another mail. After I received the third mail, I said that I now decided to at least do a video concerning this, please, because we know very soon this Pi coin will definitely become a launched, but you need to understand you can trade it to any crypto coins, you can convert it to any crypto coins. Okay, once it's a normal coin, you can definitely do that. Okay, so let's hope for the best, and I believe very soon we all be smiling. Please remember, this is not the financial advice, so please kindly like this video, share the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notification in order not to miss our next crypto videos. Once again, thank you for stopping by.